So anyway, as I was saying, I was standing outside smoking a cigarette one night, and I'm standing like this with my back to the door, and I start feeling someone pulling on my jacket. Thinking it's my roommate, I yell out, "Chris, knock it off." And no voice came from behind me. So I turn around, I'm thinking, what the hell? So I turn around and look at the door, and there's no one standing here. I swear, there's been weird stuff happening ever since I moved back down on this side of town, up back on this side of Idaho. There's been some weird shit happening around me, some weird stuff, you know. Sorry, I only smoke a pack every once in a while these days, so yeah, that smoke went in my eye. But yeah, as I was saying, I felt someone tugging on the back of my jacket, right back here on the back of my jacket. Thinking it's my roommate, I yell out, I say, "Chris, knock it off," in a low voice. And no voice, nothing. So I turn around and I'm like, okay, this is odd. So I turn around and I'm staring at the door, and there's no one standing here. I swear, there was no one there. There's just been some weird stuff happening around me, some weird noises and everything at night. As I said, I'll be uploading these to YouTube and everything. Sorry, I'm gonna light up another one. That was way too short of a cigarette that I had. Give me a minute. Ever since I moved back to this side of town, weird shit has been happening. I live in Idaho, by the way, everyone. Not very many spooky locations here, but the house I live in, the townhouse I live in, there's been some weird stuff happening to me ever since I moved back here. Weird noises at night, weird things happening around me, seeing weird shadow figures and everything. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to my videos and to my channel. Yeah, there's been some spooky stuff happening. Sorry, I'm shaking because it's cold, and plus the nicotine's getting to me. But anyway, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you like my videos and everything, and spooky content and my stories about my life and everything. I will be going out and doing more urban exploration later on in life. But yeah, there's been some weird stuff happening to me ever since I moved back here. Weird sounds at night, weird movements out of the corner of my eye. I don't know what's going on. There's been some weird occurrences around me. And I don't know who to turn to about this. There's been some odd occurrences happening nearby me. A lot of weird, like, pullings on my shirt and everything. Weird hair-raising experiences in the back of my room. I don't know what's going on. I think there's a paranormal entity that's basically fucking with me and messing with me, you know. I don't know what's going on. As you guys can see, the sun is starting to set. So here in a minute, that light's going to be turning on, and I'll be still talking to you all. But a lot of weird stuff has been happening around me. A lot of unexplained occurrences. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Let me know in my videos if you see movement or anything, because I've been noticing weird stuff going on around the house. Things that I have being down here, winding up in my room, like my ID. I lost it a while back, but I found it, and it was in a cigarette pack that was shoved into my backpack, and I left it down here. I go up in my room, and my ID is sitting on that empty pack, on the back of that empty pack, just sitting in my backpack. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I am 24 years old. I live in Idaho. I've had no prior experience ever since I was 5, and at least, but yeah, there's been some odd occurrences going around me. What the fuck was that? You guys heard that, right? That loud bang coming from... You all heard that, right? That loud bang coming from inside. Like, there's a loud bang that I heard in there. I heard a loud bang. It was probably my roommate, but I'm not sure. I keep feeling like someone's tugging on my jacket. What the Guys, I swear, someone was tugging on my jacket, like on my hood. I felt someone pulling on my hood like this, on the side. Someone was pulling on it. I swear. What the fuck was that? You all saw that, right? My jacket just automatically looked like someone had gripped it. What the fuck? There's a lot of odd shit going on. I live in Idaho. My life is just... There's been some odd shit going on in my life. I'm dealing with my mom's death. She's been dead for nearly 3 years. And still, this is odd. What the? Someone just grabbed my jacket. What the? Someone was just right here pulling on my jacket. I swear, someone was grabbing my jacket. What the fuck? I swear, someone was pulling on my jacket. Someone was pulling on the back of my jacket here. Someone was pulling backward. I don't know what the fuck. The fuck was that? Sorry, it's really cold right now. It's January here in Idaho. As I said, there's been some odd occurrences. I don't know what to make of this, but I will be posting more and more of these videos on YouTube. The more stuff that goes on, I'll try to capture it if I can. But yeah, I'm going to be posting this, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a like. Hit that bell icon, get more notifications of the things I post. Yeah, so anyway, if you're all listening, there's some crazy shit going on. I don't know what to make of it all, so I'll be making more of these videos. The more content I get, the more stuff I'll post, that sort of thing. So thank you all. But yeah, thank you.